Mastering Business English. Close the sale, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into a commonly used business phrase, close the sale. Whether you're in sales, business, or just curious about English expressions, this video will clarify what it means and how to use it effectively. Close the sale is a phrase that's vital in the world of business and sales. It refers to successfully completing a sales transaction. This doesn't just mean exchanging a product for money. It's about convincing the customer to make a purchase, overcoming objections, and finalizing the deal. This phrase is used globally and is a key part of business communication. Why is this phrase so important? In any sales or business environment, the ability to close the sale is a valued skill. It represents not just the end of a transaction but the culmination of effort, persuasion, and customer engagement. Mastering this can mean the difference between a successful business career and a mediocre one. Let's look at some examples. 1. After a long discussion, the salesperson was finally able to close the sale. 2. Learning how to close the sale effectively is crucial for any sales professional. 3. Our training session today will focus on strategies to close the sale more efficiently. These examples show how the phrase can be integrated into various business-related conversations. 1. Understand your customer. Know their needs and how your product meets them. 2. Build a relationship. Trust and rapport make closing easier. 3. Handle objections. Be ready to address any concerns or hesitations. 4. Create urgency. Sometimes, suggesting limited availability can help. 5. Ask for the sale. This direct approach can sometimes seal the deal. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful in understanding and using the phrase, close the sale. Remember, it's all about finalizing that deal with skill and confidence. Keep practicing, and you'll be closing sales like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.